everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Peyton, and this is my channel. Today I wanted to do a colorful look, mainly because I haven't done one yet on here, and I feel it's necessary. And everyone's been on the trend of following like an MUA's makeup tutorial, and I do plan on doing that for my next video, but this time I wanted to do kind of the same concept, but with somebody from Instagram. I found this guy named Mitchell from a James Charles Instagram story, and let me tell you, this guy is fantastic. If you guys want to see this look, then just keep on watching. So before we go any farther, I'm going to need you guys to pause this video right now and go subscribe. Hit that red button. So I'm super excited to do this look because I haven't done a colorful look on my channel yet, and I figured that this one was complicated enough to try, and I really wanted to do something extravagant. So I grabbed inspiration from, I'll put the picture here. Don't know how it'll turn out. I'm not trying to do exactly the picture, but I do want to try as hard as I can to basically get all the greens down. That's the goal. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette for this look today, and I'm going to start by going in with the most neon green color there is in this palette. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. I'm really going for the Hulk vibe. Hashtag Hulk-inspired makeup. I'm next going to go in with a darker green just to darken up the crease and give it some depth. Then I'm going to take a detailed brush and take the darker green shade to put in the crease. So now I have the perfect base to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm going to do that with, y'all already know, this Shape Tape. I'm like seriously running out of this Shape Tape, and I don't know what I'm going to do when I get to the end of it, because it's all I got. So I don't have anything on my eyelids, so they're still a little bit moist. But for the lid shade, I think I am going to go in with the green shade that is in the middle of the line of green shades in the Morphe 35B palette. Then for the outer corner, I'm going to go ahead back in with the dark green shade we put in our crease. And I'm just going to blend that on the outer corner just to make these colors seamless. we are basically done with the eye. The only thing is he used a little bit of glitter to cut the front part of the crease. I don't have silver, so I'm just going to use gold, which is fine. Honestly, potato, potato. And I'm just going to go ahead and line the front part of this eyeshadow. So now that the eyelids are done, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face because it's normal. You guys can go check one of my other videos to see how I do it. But I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and I'll be right back to finish up the waterline and the lips. Okay, so I went ahead and did my face. All done. And now I'm going to finish up my eyes. To finish up the eyes to get the berry color on my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take a magenta dark maroon color from the Morphe 35B palette. Okay, so I've completely finished the eyes. I added lashes. I highlighted my inner corner and my brow bone with Champagne Pop by your girl Jacqueline. All the products that are on my face will be in the description box. I know I didn't do my face. Sorry, I just got lazy. But I will have the details down in the description box. So go check that out if you want to see what I used. And for the final touch, lips, I did a really bold eye. So I think I'm just going to use my MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Burnt Spice. It's just pink. It's just nude. My lips are like crusty. So this is going to be the final look. I'm super excited. It almost looks exactly like his, so that's super exciting because that means I'm getting better. Well, I love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys all did too. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you didn't at the beginning of the video. I'm expecting you to when this video is over. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!